this?
It's a picture. I know. I've seen them before.
Is that the guy from the highway?
Looks like him, doesn't it?
It says David. Do you think that means David Randall?
No, Harold Bailey.
Can't imagine who else it would be.
What's this?
Oh, that's really not me. I needed the money!
Daddy, Irma, David, and Damien.
Hey, Brooke!
Babbling?
Jenna, is that you?
No, it's me! We're leading you towards certain death. Come follow us.
This place definitely has a lot of tools.
Whew, good thing I have my glasses on.
Let's check this out over here.
Don't worry, I'll lead the way. Boo!
Looks like a mangled dungeon master lives here.
That's Manny, the mangled dungeon master to you.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
It's okay.
I'll only get us killed.
So much work. I thought this was going to be a nice trip for us.
It will, it will. Yeah, well, as soon as we're done with James's stuff, we'll get out of here, okay? We'll spend a few relaxing days in the woods. Just you and me.
Can my brother come?
It's not funny.
We broke up a long time ago.
Oh, that's weird.
Not as weird as the back of your head.
You guys, where'd you go? Hey! Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else.
We are!
I wonder why Kyle's not back yet.
Do you think he got lost?
No, he probably just
Maybe.
met a horrible, bloody death.
I think I better go find him.
Well, you're not leaving me here.
It'll be fine. I'll just run down there. It'll be quicker if I'm by myself.
What, are you trying to call me fat or something?
Just not an ounce of fat on your body.
Just a lot of excess
Go
blubber.
catch up to Will and Brooke. We'll meet you guys back up here. Jenna?
Yeah.
Sorry about the excess blubber. You really are fat. Oh, honey.
Be careful.
I'm Kyle. What's your names?
Easy and sleazy.
All right. Mind if I join you guys down there?
Arnold Ziffel's pissed.